Okay, in this lesson, this is lesson 3. We're gonna study present continuous tense. We will be focusing on everyday activities. All right, let's take a look at our vocabulary. Look at the picture. What's the man doing? Can you see?
Eating,
Eating. Okay, eating. Number 2.
drinking,
That's right.
cooking, reading,
Mm.
reading, studying,
Mm-hmm.
studying, studying, teaching,
Mm-hmm.
singing, sleeping, swimming, swimming, planting,
Mm-hmm.
watching TV, listening to music, playing cards, playing, playing baseball, playing the piano.
Okay, very good. Now let's move to page 18. Let us practice. Okay, what are you doing? What am I doing? What is he doing? Okay.
What am I doing? What is he doing? What is she doing? What are we doing? What are you doing? What are they doing?
Mm-hmm.
I am eating. I'm eating. She is eating. She's eating. She is eating. She's eating. It is eating. Is eating. We are eating. We are eating. You are eating. You are eating. They are eating. They are eating.
Okay, speaking of eating, I want to know, yes, Wendy, did you eat your breakfast
Yes.
today? Okay. Yes, I did. Okay. Now, can you tell me what did you have for breakfast?
I
I
had
I had
I had I had milk and dumpling.
okay, milk and dumplings. Very good. Okay, what time did you eat breakfast? Do you know? You remember? What time? What time? What time did you eat breakfast?
8 o'clock.
Oh, at 8 o'clock, just 2 hours ago. Okay, yeah. So let's try to read these examples right here. I'm going to ask the question, you're going to read the answer, okay?
Okay,
Okay, what are you doing?
I'm ready.
What are you doing?
We are cooking.
What are Mary and Fred doing?
We are studying English.
Right. What's Tom doing?
She's eating.
What's Martha doing?
She's watching TV.
What's your dog doing?
She's sleeping.
It's sleeping. Mm-hmm.
It's sleeping.
Okay. All right. Let's practice some more. We have another exercise here. What are you doing?
What are you doing? I'm reading the newspaper.
Okay, very good. Number
What
2.
are Mr. and Mrs. Lang doing? They are cooking dinner. What are you and Judy doing? They are eating dinner. What is Rita doing? She's studying English. What is Henry doing? He's sleeping. What are Carlo and Ken doing? They are watching TV. What is
Irene.
Irene doing? She's playing the piano. What are you doing? I'm studying English.
Very good. Okay, you did a very good job. Now, let's move to. Okay, let me just ask you one more question related to our study. What are you doing? You said I'm studying English. What about Stephen? What is Stephen doing? Your brother.
He's studying Chinese.
Now? Really? Okay. How about mom? What is mom doing?
Mm, She's
Working?
yes.
She's what? What's
She's
she's
working.
huh?
She's working.
She's working. What's grandma doing?
Mm, she she's
She's she's
she
cleaning. She's cooking. She's
she
mm,
she's
doing the laundry. She's cleaning the windows. Or she's reading a book. She's watching
she
TV. What do you think?
she's she's watching she's watching TV.
Oh, she's watching TV. Okay. Very good. All right. So let's move to page 20. What's everybody doing? Okay, this time it's everybody. Let's read. Where's Walter?
He's in the he's in the kitchen.
What's he doing?
He's eating breakfast.
Oh, okay. What about this? Let's do and practice the following numbers. Where's Karen? Where's Karen?
She's in
She's
the park.
okay. What's she doing?
She's eating lunch.
Okay. Where are Mr. and Mrs. Clark?
Mm, they are they are in the dining room.
What are they doing?
They are eating dinner.
Very good. Okay. Where are you?
I'm I'm in the bedroom.
What are you doing?
I'm playing the guitar.
Okay. So take a look at number 4. There are 3 people right here. Okay. So still we use you. Where are you?
Where are you? Mm,
Mm,
we are in the living room.
very good. We are in the living room. What are you doing?
We are playing cards.
Very good. Where are Gary and Jane?
Mm, they they are in the yard.
Mm-hmm. That's right. And what are they doing?
They are playing baseball.
Correct. Now, how about this? Where is Miss Baker?
She's in the cafeteria.
Again, where is Miss Baker?
Mm, she's in the cafeteria.
Very good. And what's she doing?
She's drinking milk. She's drinking milk.
Okay, very good. How about number 7? Okay, how many people are there?
2.
Okay, there are 2 people. Let's try again. Where are you?
We are in the library.
Mm-hmm. And what are you doing?
We are studying English.
Okay. Where is Miss Johnson?
She is in the classroom.
Okay. And what's she doing?
She's teaching
Math,
math,
mathematics.
math,
Yeah.
math.
Yes, that's right again. What's she doing?
She's teaching. She's teaching
Math,
math,
mathematics. Just right like this. Mathematics. Mm,
mathematics.
yes, mathematics. In short, math. Okay? Yes, the short
Okay.
of math. All right. So here, where is Marvin? Mm,
He's in the bathroom.
what's he doing?
He's singing.
Mm-hmm. Very good. He's singing. Do you sing in the bathroom, Wendy?
No.
No. Okay. How about Martha? Where's Martha?
Um, he's in the hospital.
Okay. And what's she doing?
She's watching TV.
All right. Where is your friend?
He's in the park.
What's he doing?
He's listening to music.
Okay, let's try. Okay, let's try these blank. Let's make up a question and answer. Where's your dad?
He's in the living room.
Okay, what's he doing?
He's watching.
He's watching you. Uh-huh.
No.
He's watching TV. What?
He's watching phone.
Oh, okay. He's on the phone. Okay. All right. Again, what's he doing? He's on.
He's on phone.
Okay, on the phone. On the phone.
He's on the phone.
Yes, very good. All right. So I think uh we're done with 21, but let's play first. Okay, this action game. Now, I this is just our review, right? This is just our review. We're done studying this before, but I want you to make your own action game, okay? You tell me
Okay.
what am I doing and I will guess what you are doing by looking at your actions. Go ahead.